Grok by xAI has released the 1.5 update and it has 128,000 tokens, which has increased its memory capacity by 16 times. That is way too much. Let's have a look at the details. So they released the model weights and network architecture of Grok 1 2 weeks ago. They presented a glimpse into the progress which the xAI made until last November. Since then, they have improved reasoning and problem-solving capabilities in their latest model, that is Grok 1.5. So this is how much the Grok has improved. One of the most notable improvements in Grok 1.5 is its performance in coding and math-related tasks. Grok achieved 50.6% score on math benchmark and 90% score on GSM 8K bench. Two math benchmarks covering a wide range of grade school and high school competition problems. Additionally, it scored 74.1% on human evaluation. Now, if we see Grok 1 scored as math at 23.9% and it has doubled its performance since the last time. At GSM 8K, it was 62%, but now it has improved to 90%. That's also 50% boost. And in human evaluation, it was 63% and now it's 64. If we look at the bigger companies like Google, Gemini, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Claude, 3 Opus, those are really big companies and there is billions of dollars being invested in them. And the Grok with a limited budget and limited team is catching up to them. You can see the math benchmark, the Grok is 50%, but the OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Gemini are also in the same way. So this is how much the capabilities and reasoning of the Grok has improved. With a long context to understand. Grok 1.5 ability to process long context of the 128,000 tokens with its context window. This has increased its memory capacity up to 16 times as compared to previous context length, enabling it to utilize information from substantial longer documents. The model can handle longer and complex prompts with still maintaining its instruction follow capability as its context window has expanded. In the needle in a haystack evaluation, Grok demonstrated powerful retrieval capabilities for embedded text within context of 128,000 tokens in length, achieving perfect retrieval result. By engaging the context window, there is so much improvement in the Grok 1.5. Where finally, we have the Grok 1.5 infra. These large language models require a robust and flexible. The Grok is built on custom distributed training framework based on JAX, Rust, and Kubernetes. This stack allows the team to prototype ideas and train new architectures at scale with minimal effort. Their custom training ensures that problematic nodes are automatically detected and ejected from the training job. So their team is not as big as the Google or the OpenAI ChatGPT, but they are still putting a lot of effort and getting this huge improvement in their AI. And there is also job opening in this AI domain. So if you are interested, you are an engineer, you can apply to this. That's it from me. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check first link in the description.